Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Breakdown. Today I want to be teaching you how to download and install data packs in Minecraft 1.18. I know it says 1.17 on the screen here, but the 1.18 video can't be here until it's released, and well, it's not released when I'm recording it. So by the time you get to this page later in the video, you will have 1.18 on your screen. But nonetheless, today we are going to go over all these different data packs and how you can install them. This will work for any data pack that is updated to 1.18, and if you're looking, don't know exactly what data pack you want, or just want to find some cool ones, we do have a list in the description that will be accessing later on in the video. First and foremost, though, we do have as our sponsor, which is Apex Minecraft Host. You can go to the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Apex, to start your very own 24-hour DDoS Protected Minecraft server. If you struggled with starting a server in the past, Apex makes it easy, so go check them out. We actually use them to host our own server, play.breakdowncraft.com. So nevertheless, if you want to start your own server, check out Apex at the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Apex. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get some data packs installed. So first things first, data packs are basically Minecraft mods that don't require a mod loader. They work with vanilla Minecraft. I think at some point they were like, maybe we can replace mods with this, and it just didn't work out, but there is still some pretty cool stuff that they can do, and a lot of times you can use them in conjunction with mods without many problems. So nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and get these installed, and I do want to say, while we are installing these in vanilla Minecraft today, if you do want to install them with Forge or Fabric mods, the process is exactly the same. Nevertheless, though, let's go ahead and get it started. The first thing we need to do is obviously download a few data packs, and you can find a link to our list, complete list of Minecraft. It says 1.17. I updated this morning and forgot to change this to 1.18. Nevertheless, this will say 1.18 once you get it, and I promise all these are currently updated to 1.18, even though it might not reflect that in this video. Nevertheless, though, let's go ahead and scroll on down until we see vanilla tweaks. This is a really good one that is completely updated. We're also going to scroll down and grab the tree capitator mod, which is actually a 1.17 data pack that is still compatible with 1.18. And that's something that you will see occasionally, not all the time, but occasionally that will happen. Nevertheless, though, with the Vanilla Tweaks data pack, you kind of have to select them, right? So you click them, it moves them over here to the side, and you download a bulk, sort of a group of data packs. So we're going to go ahead and do that one. We'll do Graves, we'll do Coordinates HUD. And by the way, you can click down through here and see different ones. Anti-Creeper Grief, that's an easy one to showcase. And yeah, basically I'm kind of going down through here, as well as, spawn can be set, stuff like that. Nevertheless, you can see all of the different ones here, and yes, some of these are used in the Hermitcraft Let's Play. Nevertheless, once you've got all these on the right-hand side, you can click Download, and the download will begin after we go to Add Focus. So just wait, sit back a second, don't click on anything on this page, just stick your hands up in the air and wave them like you just don't care, because you want to wait at least 5 seconds for this red skip button. It's actually about 10 seconds for this red skip button to appear in the top right of this page. Then click skip, and the download will begin in the bottom left, right like so. The reason that's there, by the way, is because that allows Vanilla Tweaks and their authors to make a little bit of money back for all the work they put into these mods. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and click on Tree Capitator here, and this is hosted on Planet Minecraft. When you're here, go ahead and click on the download data pack. And as you can see, this was last updated 7 months ago, but we have confirmed that it is working. Now let's go ahead and click on the download data pack there, and the data pack will download pretty much right away after you watch this ad, I should say. So yeah, you got to watch the 23-second ad. We'll do a quick jump cut. There we go. The Tree Capitator mod has downloaded, or I say mod, data pack is downloaded in the bottom left, and we can minimize our browser. Now, as you can see here, we need to get these to our desktop, because desktop is always easier to install mods from. So once we're here, we want to go and click on the little Windows icons in the top left of my screen, probably in the bottom left of your screen. If you're on Windows 11, it might be in the center of your screen, but you want to click on that little Windows icon, and then go ahead and type in downloads. You have this downloads file folder here. Click on that, and then you want to drag the data packs you downloaded to your desktop, right like so. I'm just going to clear out my downloads folder, but you don't have to do that. Now on our desktop, we have Vanilla Tweaks, and we have Tree Capitator. Now Tree Capitator, it's good to go. You can just kind of drag it to the side. But Vanilla Tweaks, you'll notice it says in big capital letters in the file name, unzip me. So what we want to do is go ahead and right click on it, click on Extract All, and click Extract. And as a rule of thumb, if you download multiple data packs at the same time, you will need to extract the file that you downloaded. Once you do that, you can go ahead and delete it. Now here on our desktop, we have this new folder called Vanilla Tweaks. If we open it up, we can find all the data packs we downloaded and selected on the website in here. Spawn, Graves, Coordinates HUD, and Anti-Creeper Grief. Drag this to your desktop for ease of use. Once these are on your desktop, we can go ahead and get them installed. to do this, we just need to open up Minecraft 1.18. So let's go ahead, do that. I'm going to do a quick little jump cut, and I will meet you on the Minecraft main menu to get these data packs installed. All right, so here we are in the Minecraft main menu, and these data packs are installed in single player worlds, and that means you can't take them onto servers you don't own. You can add data packs to servers that you do control, by the way, but if you don't control a server, you can't add data packs to it. However, on single player worlds, you have to do it for each individual single player world. You can't just install them one time and then be active on all your single player worlds. Like I said, you got to do it on each individual one. So we're going to use this one up here at the top called 1.18. First, I'm going to show you how to do this on an existing world, and then very quickly, I'm going to show you how to do it on a new world from the start. So nevertheless, here's 1.18. We want to go ahead and select that by just clicking on it one time. Click on it one time, and then click Edit in the bottom left. Then we want to go ahead and click on the Open World folder right here. When you do that, right there it is. There is a Data Packs folder. So as soon as you click the Open World folder, there will be a Data Packs folder in here. Open that up, and then drag and drop any data packs you want to install into this folder right like so. It's that easy. Now if we come back to Minecraft, we click Save, and then double click on the world that we wanted to install the data packs on, or that we did just install the data packs on. It's then going to load up Minecraft. Now most data packs these days do work right out of the box. However, a few don't. And those that don't need something what we call a reload. How do you do that? Well, you just type /reload in chat, and you're good to go. As you can see, Treecapitator was one of them. However, some of you might have typed that and it errored out. Here's what you do to fix that. Go ahead and hit Escape, click Open to LAN, and make sure you turn Allow Cheats on. Now this is only going to happen one time, but it does allow you to activate these data packs. Then go ahead and hit Start LAN World, and when you do, you'll now be able to do /reload without a problem. So let's go ahead and quickly test a few of these data packs. One that is super easy to test is Graves. However, I don't think I'm going to respawn exactly where I'm at. So we might have to use some teleportation magic. So we are going to be 744, 897. All right, let's go ahead and go fly high up in the air here, and then do game mode survival. And I think this will do the trick of creating a gravestone. Yep, there it is, right there. If we hit respawn, we can now actually see, it gives the coordinates there, and we can TP to it because, well, I'm a bit far away. This is actually a world that I've done a bit of screenshots in, and that means I've traveled a decent amount. But, I hit 0, didn't I? I hit 0. Oh, okay, there we go. Gotta love 1.18's glitches, but there it is. There is our gravestone. If we go ahead and left-click it, we can get all of our items back. Awesome stuff. Now, spawn, I believe, is going to be a bit different because you're going to have to set the spawn point. And then once we do that, we can do /spawn, and, or is it just /spawn point? I forget exactly what this command is. One quick second. It is /trigger, which is something you'll find a lot in data packs. Spawn, and then boom, that's going to take us there. Actually, it took us back to the default spawn point, so I don't know why I did that, but nevertheless, that's not a problem. Now, if you guys do want this seed, by the way, because I think this is a pretty good seed, I'll go ahead and give that to you. I've got no reason to keep it, so there is /seed. There it is, but yeah, so that is 2 data packs kind of shown off there. We did install a few more, but sadly they're a bit harder to show off. One that's not actually is Creeper Grief. We can go ahead and do that really quick. So let's go ahead and give ourselves a Creeper Egg and spawn in 2 of those should be sufficient. And then we can go ahead and do game mode survival again. And go ahead and there it is. Boom. As you can see, these are blowing up and they're not hurting anything because Creeper Grief is turned off, right? Boom. Creepers no longer hurt anyone. So yeah, that's some data packs there that we installed. I think there was one more, but honestly, off the top of my head, I have forgotten. Oh, Treecapitator, that was one. Let's go ahead and test that out over here real fast with a tree. That's where you can press down a key, and it will, well, mine that tree for you. However, I do forget exactly how to activate that, obviously, so give me a quick second to do a quick jump cut and figure out what that key is going to be. So here we are, and I think you just crouch and can do this. Let's see. It's not working there, so we can try trigger and then Treecapitator to kind of figure out it exactly, you know, what this is and change some of the settings. So Treecapitator will work when standing, whether standing straight up. What is the button? I feel like I'm missing something here. Let's see. All right, let's see if I just like mine a tree. There we go. Yeah, it just worked without sneaking. Okay, that's kind of different. So you can lock these settings, and then yes, you'd be good to go there. I think there was something else we had to do, but I'm just ignoring that because it is working. As you can see, we can mine 1 block of this tree, and the entire thing above that goes away. And boom. it's not working underwater. You can see it's a bit buggy, but nevertheless, that is now installed. Now, if you do want to install a data pack for a new world, you can do so by going into single player, creating a new world, and then clicking on data packs right here. Then click on open data pack folder and drag and drop any data packs you want to install from the new world right into here, and then click done and click Create New World. It's that simple to install data packs. Again, that was in the Create New World screen. Just click on Data Packs, click on Open Data Packs folder, drag and drop into here. And by the way, you do need to select them. So by default, you can move that over, right? You'll have an arrow there, move it over, click Done, and you are good to go. So there you have it. That is our complete guide to data packs in Minecraft 1.18. If you do have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below, and enjoy your data packs. Again, this will work for any data packs that are updated to 1.18. So yeah, be sure to come play with us on play.breakdowncraft.com, the best Minecraft server in the multiverse. My name is Nick, and I'm out. Peace.